Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1962 MG Midget Mk1 Roadster. Very early car here. VIN number is like 2383, which actually means it was produced in 61. And when it finally got titled, it was a 62 titled, but you know, for every purpose here, let's call this a 61 because it's only around like car number 2200 produced. So super collectible, super early little car here. Black tan interior, black top, 4-speed, those pretty little silver disc wheels with hubcaps. Really nice little restoration about 5 years ago, and just sat around a little bit. We ended up purchasing the car and we're doing a little a mechanical tune-up and recommissioning on it. So we're going to be posting a driving video soon. But lovely little honest car, super solid, super straight, excellent glossy paintwork. So if we go around here slowly, you can see the quality of this paint. Really, really lovely, great gaps, pencil straight body. You know, really, really attractive paintwork. Couple little tiny micro blisters in the trunk lid there, but really nothing to worry about. Good chrome, good set of tires and wheels on it. But like I said, just excellent, excellent honest body with great gaps, great paint. Good windshield fitted, all the nice original chrome work in excellent order. Everything fits beautifully. Windshield's been replaced at one point with a dew plate. So let's look at this car's interior trim. Really nice upholstery on this one. Super nice biscuity reupholstered set of seats. Kind of this cognac or chocolate, darker brown carpets, but really, really lovely with this black paintwork. Completely nicely done, recovered dash, original radio, a little bit of a custom wood steering wheel there, but you know, excellent little trimmed interior. We do have a brand new black soft top for the car that's fitted. In the trunk here, there's tons of spares if you want to check everything laid out on the floor there. Lots and lots of extras, which is quite a bonus. I'll show you the engine compartment real quick here. We've got this car running. We're just going to do a little bit of brake work, and then we're going to be out on the road with a video. So pretty clean engine compartment. We're going to do a little bit furthering with detailing, but nice little engine with a brand new downdraft Weber. This thing runs very sweetly. You can see this was a factory black car. All the correct original factory paint in here. Yeah, take a look at the underside carriages. You'll see how honest this lovely little Sprite Mk1 is. And there you have it. This is our 1962 very early production MG Midget Mk1 Roadster. Black tan interior, black top, side curtain set, 4-speed disc wheels, roughly around production number 2200 produced, first 2200 made. So exceptional early collectible black on tan MG Midget Mk1. It's for sale right now on our website. Keep a lookout for that driving video because it's coming soon. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.